Finding the best keyword research involves a combination of understanding your audience, leveraging tools, and analyzing your competition. Here's a step-by-step approach. 1. Define your goals and audience. Identify your niche. Determine what products, services, or information you're offering. Understand your audience. Know their needs, interests, and search behaviors. 2. Generate keyword ideas. Brainstorm. List out potential keywords related to your niche. Use keyword research tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Ubersuggest can provide keyword suggestions and metrics. 3. Analyze keyword metrics. Search volume. How often a keyword is searched. Keyword difficulty. How hard it is to rank for that keyword. Cost per click. CPC. Useful for understanding competition in paid search. 4. Consider search intent. Informational. Keywords where users are looking for information, for example, how to fix a leaky faucet. Navigational. Keywords where users are trying to find a specific website or page, for example, Facebook login. Transactional. Keywords where users are ready to make a purchase, for example, by running shoes. Analyze competitors. Identify top competitors. Look at who is ranking for the keywords you're interested in. Examine competitor keywords. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can show you which keywords your competitors are targeting. 6. Look for long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords. These are more specific and often less competitive. For example, best budget running shoes for women. Benefits. They often have higher conversion rates and are less competitive. Check trends. Google Trends. Analyze keyword popularity over time and discover emerging trends. Seasonal trends. Consider if certain keywords have seasonal spikes. Refine and prioritize keywords. Relevance. Ensure keywords align with your content and audience needs. Search volume versus competition. Balance between high search volume and achievable ranking difficulty. 9. Monitor and adjust. Track performance. Use analytics tools to track how well your chosen keywords are performing. Adjust strategy. Based on performance data, refine your keyword strategy to optimize results. Consider local SEO if relevant. Local keywords. Include location-based keywords if you're targeting a local audience, for example, plumber in Chicago. By following these steps, you can develop a robust keyword strategy tailored to your goals and audience.